back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kate and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So the summer's wrapping up, unfortunately, but I wanted to, you know, squeeze in something a little summery because, I mean, technically we still got a month, but you know, vibe, September, yeah. So if you want to see how I made a vegan whipped feta, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the decent recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you might be wondering why this video is so long, and I made some toppings to go on top of this. Okay, it's not so long. Anyway, because like, girl, this is gonna be over before you know it. So I got some feta. Now, this is my favorite vegan feta. I think it's the closest, there's a word for that. The closest to like what I remember actual feta being. It's been a minute since I've been vegan, so I don't remember what it actually tastes like. But I feel like the Violife one, which I also enjoy, is more like a goat cheese. This is like from the Trader Joe's. So I got some of that. I got some sour cream. You can use, honestly, it's vegan, y'all. You can use whatever you got. Like you can use like some vegan yogurt, plain. I know that goes without saying, but let me just say that. Plain vegan yogurt. You could use vegan cream cheese, what I actually went to Whole Foods to get because I thought cream cheese would be nicer. But, ooh, oh my God, if you use the Trader Joe's vegan cream cheese, now that is a good vegan cream cheese. Some garlic, some lemon. I'll be easy on the salt now because the vegan cheese is already salty. So you blend it up, you whip it up. If you don't have a blender, I feel like you can mash it with a fork. You're gonna be there for a minute, but you know, persevere. And that's it. Very good. Okay, let's move on. So I topped it with some crispy chickpeas. I thought that would give. And they did. I don't know why I don't cook chickpeas like this more often. Like, they were so good. So I got some chickpeas. I reserved the little aquafaba. I'm gonna see if I could do what I want to do with it. Y'all will see. If you see a video, you'll know like, oh, she did it. And I rinsed them because you don't want to taste like canned. And I seasoned it with stuff I like. You know, I like oregano. If you've been here, you know the usual characters. I like oregano. I like adobo. I like, I already said oregano, garlic powder, you know the vibes. And then I put a little bit of grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. Girl, I don't live with you, do what you want. And yeah, I mix it up. And then I'm so trifling because I was mixing it up. I'm like, you know, this needs some sazon. I put sazon in everything. Oh, I love a good sazon. It just elevates it. Okay, and there they go. I'm gonna put it on a parchment sheet because you know, I can't leave it on my air fryer. Like you could bake it, you know, there's instructions on how to bake it, you know, in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes till they get nice and crispy. And these were so good. Like I can't wait to do a bunch of stuff with it. Like I'm gonna put it on some toast. I'm gonna put it in a salad. Ooh, on a sandwich, like mashed up. I feel like this will really do well like in a chickpea salad. Ooh, with some pasta. I should make that right now. The video, my bad. Okay, I'm gonna make a tomato cucumber salad. And I forgot to say who inspired me to do this. My queen, Ina Garten. I follow her on Instagram. She's like, y'all, I'm trying out a whipped feta. And I was like, ooh, that sounds good. It sounds summery and fresh and bright. So I'm like, you know, I like me a little cucumber, tomato, onion moment. Like, she's a vibe. She eats every time. She's consistent. You know what to expect from her. You know, and what did I do with this? I also put this on anything. Like, I have leftover, I had Mexican food over the weekend. What's today? Tuesday? Yeah. I had Mexican food over the weekend. I made some, whatever. I used the very soy to make some vegan steak. And because I wanted a torta. That's what I wanted. I wanted a torta so real bad. And I made my bread, y'all. Anyway, I'll share that later. And I had the leftovers, but I didn't feel like having a sandwich. So I had to eat late yesterday. So I just put, like, I had my little rice. I had some corn. I had some refried beans. I had my vegan steak. I had this salad. Like, she eats every time. She's going to deliver. You can use her in a vicissitude of ways. I love that word. Vicissitude. It's not exactly the right way, the right context, but what you gonna do, jump me? Yeah. Okay, so it's time to plate it up. I'm gonna take my vegan feta. I'm gonna make it look cute because, you know, you know, your eyes first doing. And I'm gonna top it with my chickpeas. They look pretty. And I didn't go far. I didn't want chickpea crackers. You know what I'm saying? I just did enough. You can go longer. You can do 30 minutes. I think I was at the 20-minute mark. And I topped it with my little salad. And look at that. This was like the perfect lunch. I don't think you understand. And I got some sourdough. Get into it. This was the perfect lunch. If you know me, like, I can't do hot food in the middle of the day. I don't know what it is. I just cannot do hot food in the middle of the day. When I tell you this blessed my soul, it can bless yours as well. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. There's other videos. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what you want me to make next. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.